Can cognitive behavioral therapy help with fear of failure? Have you ever felt that sinking feeling in your stomach when you think about failing? Fear of failure can be a heavy weight, especially when it comes to academic goals. But can cognitive behavioral therapy help lighten that load? Let's break it down. Cognitive behavioral therapy, often referred to as CBT, is a type of therapy that focuses on changing negative thought patterns. When it comes to fear of failure, CBT helps individuals identify those anxious thoughts and replace them with more balanced ones. Instead of viewing failure as a disaster, CBT encourages seeing it as a part of learning and growth. This shift in perspective is key to developing a growth mindset. One of the techniques used in CBT is cognitive restructuring. This involves challenging irrational beliefs about failure. For example, if you think that failing a test means you are not smart, CBT helps you reframe that thought. It shows you that everyone makes mistakes and that these moments can lead to improvement. Another helpful aspect of CBT is exposure therapy. This technique gradually exposes individuals to situations they fear, like taking a difficult exam. By facing these situations in a controlled way, people can reduce their anxiety over time. This process helps build confidence and reduces avoidance behaviors that often come with fear of failure. Mindfulness practices are also a part of CBT. These practices help individuals stay present and manage anxiety. By observing thoughts without harsh judgment, you can learn to respond to fear of failure in a healthier way. When it comes to academic goal setting, CBT provides practical tools to tackle fear of failure. Students can learn to set realistic goals and understand that setbacks are part of the journey. Techniques like journaling can help track progress and reflect it on experiences. Additionally, cognitive diffusion is a technique used in CBT. This involves distancing yourself from negative thoughts, allowing you to view them as just thoughts, not facts. This can be especially helpful when facing academic challenges. Overall, CBT equips individuals with coping strategies to manage fear of failure. By addressing underlying fears and negative self-talk, it helps build emotional resilience. This newfound strength can lead to greater motivation and success in academics and beyond. So, if fear of failure has been holding you back, consider exploring cognitive behavioral therapy as a way to move forward with confidence.